Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming what kind of controller you have and why that matters. If wired, grab a quality USB-C or USB-A cable. If wireless, make sure Bluetooth is on and controller batteries exceed 20%. Once done, plug the wired controller into a front USB port or open settings right arrow Bluetooth and devices to start discovery. You do this now so Windows recognizes the device before launching Minecraft. That reduces driver conflicts and saves time when you move to gamepad mappings. You proceed by pairing and ensuring drivers install correctly because Minecraft reads controller input through Windows. For Bluetooth, hold the controller pairing button until the LED flashes, then choose Add Device right arrow Bluetooth on your PC. Wait for confirmation. For wired connections, allow Windows to install drivers automatically and verify in Device Manager. If buttons map oddly, install a mapping utility like Xbox Accessories or DS4 Windows to fix layouts and create profiles. You finish by configuring Minecraft and validating the controller because game settings determine responsiveness. Open Minecraft, go to Settings right arrow Controls or Accessibility and enable controller input. Then test movement, inventory, and menu navigation. If a button behaves wrong, remap it and save the profile. If nothing registers, try switching USB ports, replacing the cable, updating drivers, restarting the PC, or repairing Bluetooth. A key troubleshooting tip: test the controller in Windows Game Controllers or Steam Big Picture to isolate hardware versus game configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.